what's up? Welcome back to another video. I am Risa, and if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. I make lots of beauty videos and lifestyle videos and fun things. I also have my Instagram page that I'm frequently on daily. You get tons of content from me, so go ahead and check that out. It is at Reesiibabe on Instagram. A lot of you guys actually requested me to do a soft glam wedding guest makeup look. I think this makeup is great for a guest or even a bride. If you guys would like to recreate it, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Reesiibabe, and I'm super excited. So if you guys would like to see how I do get this wedding guest makeup, please do continue watching. I'm going to be going in with my Infallible Pro Matte. I genuinely love this foundation because lightweight, it is full coverage, you can really build it up, and it stays on forever, so you guys are not gonna be like sweating this off. It's just, and it's like mattifying, so it's really good. And put that all over my face. You really don't need a lot of foundation with this because you can like stretch it out, and it's really nice full coverage, so you don't need a ton. And the concealer is Warm Sand from Too Faced. This is my favorite concealer. I've literally, like, all the rest of them have just been put at the back of my little container because this is just literally the only one that I use. You don't need a lot of concealer, and you don't need to put it like all the way all over your face. You just need it like literally right in this area, and then you just pat it in and then spread it out. But today I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette just because this palette, I'm not sponsored or anything, but this palette is also something that I use on my clients. Not this one specifically, I have another palette, but I love this palette because it literally can do whatever you want it to do. Like for wedding, for bridal, for like anything, birthdays, literally anything. Now I'm gonna go into my eyes. I'm gonna go into Weekender, which is this color right here. Just something light. I'm gonna get that on a makeup brush. This is the Doll 10 makeup brush in collaboration with Makeup by Molly. And I'm getting this all over my lid. I'm gonna go into this pink color, Still Shot, and dust that off. Make sure you're dusting it off. And I'm just gonna get that lightly into the crease area and almost use that as my transition color. Right here, and then use it into a transition. Go into, I really like Blaze. Blaze is definitely one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna go into Blaze, which is this one right here. It's kind of like a, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me do a better swatch of it. It's like this color, but it's kind of like iridescent-ish. So I'm gonna go into that. Sometimes with lid colors, you gotta go in with your finger to just make it pop a little bit more. So just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is very lightly go into Riff. Just right here. And just get that into the corners. And then a little bit into the crease. Like so. I'm gonna go into, this is the Visart palette. This is in the color Mink, and it's a little janky, but I'm gonna go ahead into this color right here, which is a little bit lighter than that punk color, but it's still like a deep brown. And I'm just gonna tap that, literally just tap it into the back. Tap. Don't brush it, just tap it on. And then blend it upwards in that same tapping motion. Like so. Oh, just with the other end of the brush, like this piece has like a lot and this piece doesn't. I'm gonna turn the brush and use this side to just kind of blend it a little bit. What you can do is you can go ahead and put like a little bit of like Stila glitter. Go for gold. This is the Gold Goddess from Stila. I don't usually put the applicator on my face. The lid, so you get like a little bit of sparkle without it being like too much. Just kind of go in the areas that you want it to sparkle a little bit more. I'm gonna go into this liner from Joa Beauty. It's a little tiny felt tip, as you guys can see, so it literally looks like a pen. Like a medium brown. I'm gonna go ahead and put this underneath my eye. Like so. Now if you feel like you did it too harsh underneath your eye, just get like a little blending brush. These like eyeshadow brushes like this. Make sure your brushes are clean. And then just go right underneath and like fluff it like that. Just back and forth. I feel like you can't really go too wrong with just kind of fluffing and smoking it out. So just look up and just feel where your under eye is and just kind of fluff that out like that, and then I'll leave it nice and smoky looking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the top lashes. You can just do this and be on the go, or you can wear lashes. I always recommend lashes if you are going to like a very special event, a birthday party, a wedding, where you're gonna be in pictures. You don't want to look basic. No offense to anybody, but you always want to look your best, right? Especially if you're going to like your husband's family's thing, you know, they be talking shit. Just kidding. No, but for real. I think a great blush for everybody, definitely Torrid from NARS. This is a like a pinky, literally the color you turn when you get flushed. Just to my cheeks. So a lot of what I like to do is pat the makeup in. A lot of people, and I sometimes also go in and I do this and stuff, but I've found that when I pat like the product in, it looks so much better and looks so much more natural. So pat in the general direction instead of just kind of like going up and down like this. You can like just make sure you're like going in like circular motions and like buffing it out, but you don't want like just a streak. So that's why I feel like patting it gives it that like foolproof kind of, you know, it's foolproof. So I'm gonna grab that on here, just like so. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna take whatever it is and just kind of like work it into my temples. And then of course, bring it down here. Really work it in. I mostly get my product like on the back, so that's why it looks like I'm just, if it looks like I'm doing that, that's exactly what I'm doing. So just like that. I'm good with this. I'm gonna use this. This is a Tom Ford lip color, the matte lip color. This is in the color Pussycat. I really like it. I love the pink of it, but I think Mac Mare is very similar to this. So if you guys have Mac Mare, go for it. It's called Chocolate Bark from MOIRA. I got this at my beauty supply store. I don't know if you guys will be able to find it in yours, but it's pretty good. It looks very similar to Chestnut. I didn't do highlight. So you can save your face and do it like this, or you can go ahead in with a little bit of highlighter to just add a little bit of glow. I'm gonna go into this Backstage Glow Face Palette from Dior. This is the number 2. So this is more of like those golden colors as opposed to this one, which is more of the pink colors. I'm trying to make this work. I use this one often because I think this one is perfect. It works so well. When I apply, I like to just kind of buff it in a little bit. I also take it down my nose, right here, and then right on the tip of the nose. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna set my face using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just gonna get this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's very, I'll zoom you guys in. It's really nice and light, nothing too crazy, nothing too extravagant. Very simple on the eyes. It just looks really nice. So I love it. The lips, you can, like I said, switch it up and use like a more peachy or a nude lip. This is just pink. This is just what I'm feeling today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so upset that my phone died. Like, that's so annoying. Just because it was a great video to save on live as well, but what you could do. If you'd like other makeup tutorials, if you guys have any requests, please let me know down in the comments below. And follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at Reesiimua. Reesiimua has all of my beauty posts and all of my clients. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in another video. See ya. Out and voila. No way. Oh my god. My phone died. Oh, thank god I was recording this, because that would freaking suck. Shit.